Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can turn on 2FA on Amazon. So 2FA means two-factor authentication, so it's a security measure which people applies in their account to make their account secure. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can turn it on. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then hit that subscribe button to our channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. First step, you want to come to amazon.com and log in into your account. Once you're over here and log in into your account, you can see your username at the top. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you over here. And once you're over here, you want to go and log in security, because 2FA is a security sector, so we have to go in security. Now once you're over here, you can see where it says two-step verification. It is known as 2FA, alright? So click on edit over here. Once you click on edit, it's gonna send message to your email. So you need to go to your email, whichever mail you have linked on your Amazon. So this is my mail which I have linked on Amazon, and this is the message Amazon has sent me. And it says, do you want to activate your 2FA? So yes, I want to activate my 2FA, so I'm going to click on approve. And once I'm over here, I'm going to click on approve again. And basically it's going to take me to the page where I can start my 2FA. So in order to activate your 2FA, you need to enter your passport as usual. After enter your passport, or one-time passport or OTP code is going to be sent to your mobile number, like whichever mobile number which you have linked on your Amazon. It's going to send a verification code to your SMS. Once you see the SMS code, you need to enter the code on your Amazon, and only after entering the code you can log in into your account. Alright, so that's what 2FA means. So click on get started, and it's going to ask you to link a mobile number if you have not yet. So make sure to link your mobile number. Click on continue. After your mobile number is linked, then basically whenever the next time you try to log in into your Amazon account, you can only log in into your account after you receive the code on your SMS and you type the code. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. So I don't want to turn it on right now, so I'm not going to enter my mobile number, but you have to enter your mobile number. Click on continue, verify your mobile number, and then it's done. So that's how you guys can turn on your 2FA on your Amazon account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe button to our channel with notification turned on, and bye bye.